Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to one more episode. Today we will be doing a volume fill-in. As you can see, she has the sweetest brown-green eyes. She has been a customer of mine for a very long time, and you can tell right off the bat that she has aged eyelids. Although her eyelids are aged, you can tell that the top eyelid is not interfering with the eyelashes, which is a good thing because we will not need to tape her eyelids vertically. We will start applying the eye patches, and this is a must, as you know, because it protects the bottom lashes so that we do not end up sticking lashes to them. Since this is a fill, we are going to start by removing all of the outgrown lashes. Remember, there are a couple different methods for removing outgrown lashes, and these methods will vary depending on the situation you are presented with. Usually, when the extensions are a couple weeks old, they can just be popped off by using the pop-off method. Please remember to always hold the natural lash firmly with good grip tweezers. Otherwise, not doing so is going to result in ripping out the natural lash. We are going to keep doing this until we eliminate most of the outgrown extensions. Once we have removed most of the outgrown extensions, I will be priming her natural lashes and cleaning the old ones to make sure that we eliminate any dead skin cells, makeup buildup, or anything like that that could accumulate on the extensions or lash line. Now that the extensions are clean and dry, we will start by applying the volume lashes. For this set, I did use the pre-made fans in 3D in length 10 and 9. This particular guest, she loves her lashes this certain way. And when I used to use 3 different sizes, she really didn't like them. So we started doing 2 sizes. So I use for 3 of the blocks, which would be like a doll eye, for those 3 blocks in the middle, I'm going to be using all 10s. And just in the corners, I'm going to be using the 9mm. If you see outgrown lashes here and there, make sure to remove them. From there on, we will just fill up the natural lashes that are missing extensions. A fill usually takes up around an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the difficulty of the natural lashes. I really want to talk about her eyelids. As you saw in the beginning clip, the lids do look a little droopy. Now, I want you to know that there are different types of hooded eyes. There are the ones who have a mild case. A mild case would be that you are able to see that the eyes are hooded from a front point of view, but they do not interfere with the lash line. A severe case would be the complete opposite, where you can see physically the hooded eyelids, and when you lay your guest down, they are still drooping over the natural lashes. And for these cases, I do recommend for you to use a tape vertically down the eyelid and kind of lifting it up toward like above the eyebrow. That way you're lifting up that extra skin that's kind of drooping over their eyelids. A severe case would be the complete opposite, where you can see physically the hooded eyelids, and when you lay the guest down, they are still drooping over the natural lashes. For these cases, I do recommend for you to tape the lid vertically. Basically, you're going to start from the lid, lifting it up over the brow. That way, you are lifting up that droopy skin from the eyelids. If you do not remember or you haven't seen the video, I will link it right above. In the linked video, we show you how to tape the lids based off of the guest situation. An example is hooded eyes or downward natural lashes and open eyes that do not close. You want to brush the extensions every now and then to make sure that there are no extensions stuck, and you can also feel if they are stuck when you are isolating lashes. So this is how the lashes look once they have been filled. Now I will apply activator to make sure the bond between the natural lash and the glue is stronger. This way she will come back to her next fill with more than half still on. Per usual, we would like to thank you for watching our videos. It really makes us happy and we really appreciate you. Let us know what you are struggling with in the comment section down below, and we will make sure to create a video for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.